Bacha's right. We should go to sleep. Me.
I know we've been in this room for a long time, but I think Easy finally got the food.
Okay, I'll wake up Bacha's.
Guys, I
Rayo,
don't see
why do we have to
Isagi
be
with
up
the
so
food.
early? Bacha, it's still.
Wait, Rayo, shut up. I'm trying to call Isagi.
I told you to head to McDonald's. Were y'all sleeping? We were gonna get food. Y'all Big Macs?
Bachira, what did Isagi say?
Well, he said.
Come to McDonald's right now!
Run fast! I wonder how much time Isagi been waiting on us for.
Well, I don't care. We need to get in there fast.
He's right. Come on, let's go.
Well, sorry guys, we don't have an ending, but you can look at us with our unspoken ribs.